to check the TTL metering, first check the battery is okay in here, then set the shutter speed. It's not very bright here, so I'm putting it on 1/8 of a second here. You need to cock the camera, then you're going to press the shutter release halfway down while looking through the viewfinder. The aperture's on the widest setting, f3.5 here. So as we look through the viewfinder, you can see the split image viewfinder circle in the middle there, and when we half press the shutter, that's the lights you can see in the left part of the viewfinder. If you'd put a new battery in and the lights weren't coming on like they should, then that would mean there was a problem. So as I now turn the aperture ring, just click, click, it goes green on f5.8. Click, goes green, and then another click, and then that means the aperture is too small. But that's how you rotate the aperture ring until you get a green light, or on some cameras it's a needle or some other kind of indicator. But basically that's the TTL, the through the lens metering, telling you what is going to be the correct aperture for the shutter speed that you have selected. So that is shutter priority, where you select the shutter speed first and then you find the correct aperture. Some cameras you set the aperture first and then change the shutter speed until you're going to get the correct exposure. Just depends. So while you're doing this, the aperture stays fully open and then shuts down at the moment that you take the shot, otherwise it would be too dark to see what you were doing, and then opens back up again.